I was lucky enough to get invited to a party, so instead of bringing my usual houseplant as a gift, I thought I'd bring salsa, but my brand is so bland and boring. What can I do to impress my new friends? I know. I'll watch the new tutorial from Grow Your Own. I'll learn how to make a kicky and zesty salsa that's sure to win people over.
Hi, my name is Chris and welcome to another episode of Grow Your Own. In this episode, we're going to show you how to make our very favorite salsa recipe. This is the famous roasted red pepper and mango salsa with a kick. The sweet of the mango perfectly complements the heat of the peppers. Let's go over a few ingredients that you'll need before we get started. Cut up a bunch of fresh cilantro, which has been used to flavor dishes for thousands of years. Cilantro is also referred to as coriander or Chinese parsley. Most people perceive the taste as tart with a lemon-lime zest, but a small percentage of people think it tastes like soap, so flavor to taste. Chop, slice, or dice 1 to 2 medium onions. We prefer yellow or commonly referred to as Spanish onions. It brings a nice balance of astringency and sweetness in flavor. Onions produce a chemical irritant that stimulates the tear ducts. That's why people tear up when they cut onions, like Karen. Add your mango, sliced or diced. You decide how many. I like to use 2. Mango brings the juicy sweetness to our salsa. Careful though, you might be tempted to eat it before you can add it to the salsa. Chop up 3 jalapeno peppers. Seeds are optional, as the seeds add more spice. You can use less or more to taste. Jalapenos are native to Mexico and rate at 3,500 to 8,000 Scoville heat units, which is the scale to measure the intensity of heat a pepper has. The jalapeno is only slightly hot, but others might beg to differ. Dice 2 cloves of garlic, a herb related to onions, leeks, and chives. It's originally native to Siberia. I use 4 tomatoes. Some people prefer meaty varieties like Roma or even sweet tomatoes such as cherry or grape. I prefer the beefsteak, cut into chunks, and puree the other 2 in a blender, which I use as a base. Tomatoes are in the nightshade family. They're also related to peppers, eggplants, potatoes, and tobacco. The tomato itself originated in western South America. The next thing we want to do is heat up a frying pan and roast our poblano and red bell peppers until the outside skins are slightly charred. Then we're going to chop and add to our mix. If you're bold and courageous and like to stoke up the heat, add a Carolina Reaper chili. It's the hottest chili pepper in the world with a Scoville rating of over 1.5 million. That's pretty freaking hot. Okay, stir all those fresh, colorful, and healthy ingredients together and add a squeeze of lime. Lime is a hybrid fruit from Southeast Asia, which has a very high vitamin C content and was used by the British soldiers to prevent scurvy. That's why they call them limeys. Okay, next and finally we're going to sprinkle in some sea salt, which is a chemical combination of sodium and chloride. What an awesome and downright delicious combo where the sweet meets the heat. Remember, this salsa can be used as a complement to many dishes and makes a frickin' damn good dip. I'm Chris and thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, keep your chips crispy and your salsa kicking.